Hi guys, here's a heat here. So it's been a long day. Some of the guys left at 5:30 this morning. We're still here. It's 4:15, still here, we're still going strong. Thanks for the support from everyone. Thanks Valent, Half Timber, Paul Bullivan, Alice Woolley, Simon Weisel. I'd like to thank Wayne Kirby, Dembo, Ian Forbes taking on Facebook. I'd like to thank Damon Steele for being the site foreman. So let's have a walk around and let's see what we've achieved today then. The guys are still working, so I won't rub it in too much. And lo and behold, here is Ian Forbes. Say hello, Ian. Ian.
Hi.
Yeah. Hello. Woo-hoo-hoo. So Ian's actually doing the water, turning it back on. So it's a bit mad in here because we're working with the Vanderbuilders. Say hello. Hi. So here we are doing all food. Say hello.
How you doing?
What do you do?
I'm chipping.
Chipping. Good on. What have you done today?
This.
Oh, okay. Let's have a look. Hey, well done. That's great work. Hi, buddy. How are you?
Right.
Say hello.
Hi.
What do you do?
I'm an electrician.
Oh, well done. 5. Well done. And here they are. Look, they're doing an extraction unit, wash down unit. They've got in plaster with magnet in. Here we are in the kitchen. Hello. Hey. So here we are in the boiler. Say hello, guys. Hey. Dr. Boiler's got Jacob, Mandy, who, now then, Dr. Boilers and Mandy, they came to view the job. Well done, guys. They were here for 8 o'clock in the morning. You've got Ian Forbes, Jacob, and just down there, you can't see him because he's grafting away, he's John Walton. And there's the Valent Pro 30. Thank you, guys. Still working away hard. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.